Hey veterans, I want to talk to you right now about a second way to get to a 20% VA disability rating for your thoracolumbar spine, also, which is a term the VA uses often, but also known as your lumbar or low back. And in another video, I talked about range of motion measurements to achieve a 20% rating. But sometimes, I find that veterans have pretty good range of motion and wouldn't qualify for that 20%. However, they do have periods where their back flares up, where it goes out, and they simply are unable to do much of anything. And that really takes a toll on their life and really should be factored in. And luckily, VA does factor that in. It's another way to rate a spinal condition. So at the 20% level, again, putting the range of motion aside, but looking at incapacitating episodes, if you have incapacitating episodes that are at least 2 weeks in total duration in the last 12 months, but are less than 4 weeks total, so again, you're falling in that 2 to 4 week window of being incapacitated due to your low back, then you should qualify for a 20% rating. Now, again, just having back pain or some limitations, that alone will not be enough to achieve that or qualify for the 20%, because you need to look at what incapacitating means in VA nomenclature. And again, this is acute periods of signs and symptoms that your doctor says require bed rest and he prescribes treatment for. So if again, it has to be fairly severe, it has to be incapacitating, but if it is, and you have that as a total of 2 weeks, or at least 2 weeks, but less than 4 weeks in a 12-month span, so it doesn't have to be, again, up to 4 weeks straight, then you would qualify at the 20%. Now again, whichever one is higher, if your range of motion qualifies you for a higher rating, then that's what VA should use. If you have pretty good range of motion most of the time until your back just gets really bad and you can't do anything at all, then argue under the incapacitating episode criteria. So anyway, keep that in mind as you go through your VA disability claim on your low back. If you need any help with it, of course, reach out to us on our website, whenyourvetclaim.com. You can also do a free consultation request there as well. And look at our other videos as well. I hope you find those helpful. We do these to help veterans, to educate them and empower them with their own claims. So take advantage of those resources that we have provided to you. Thanks, have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.